1. Hook, 0 to 5 seconds, grab attention. Install GitHub Copilot in Visual Studio Code, VS Code, or JetBrains. Update versus code and ensure Copilot extension is enabled. Visuals. Quick montage. Copilot suggesting entire functions. Code auto-completing rapidly. Reaction face cam, shocked/excited expression. Text overlay, AI coding. Is this too far? 2. Introducing GitHub Copilot, 10 to 30 seconds, explain in 20 seconds. So, what is GitHub Copilot? It's an AI assistant that writes code for you, straight inside your IDE. By typing a comment, Copilot can build full functions, suggest fixes, and even create entire components. Let me show you. Visuals. VS Code screen with Copilot extension. Zoom in on Copilot icon and drop down. Text overlay, writing code just got easier, or did it? 3. First demo, easy task, 30 to 60 seconds, grab trust early. Let's start with something simple, a Python function to check if a number is prime. I'll just type this comment, and watch Copilot work its magic. Actions. Type #check if number is prime. Copilot suggests full function with loop and conditional checks. Accept and run the code live. 10 seconds, and it works perfectly. On-screen pop-up, time saved, 5 minutes. 4. Medium task, real web component, 60 to 90 seconds, mid-level test. Alright, let's kick it up a notch. I need a JavaScript button that changes color when clicked. Let's see if Copilot can handle this. Actions. In HTML/JS file, type // create a button that changes color on click. Copilot generates button HTML. JavaScript click handler. Inline CSS or external style sheet suggestion. Not bad. Let's run it, click, and there it is. Show working demo, button changes color dynamically. Text overlay. Imagine doing this for entire websites. Create projects in different languages, Python, JavaScript, HTML/CSS, for variety. Prepare tasks, pick 3 coding tasks of increasing complexity. Have errors ready, purposefully write buggy code for Copilot to fix. Video outline, full breakdown. 1. Powerful hook, 0 to 10 seconds, shock and curiosity. Scene 1, face cam, dramatic close-up. *AI is writing my code, and it's doing it better than me? Let me show you how GitHub Copilot just changed the game forever. Scene 2, screen flash, quick snippet of Copilot autocomplete in action. Flashing screen capture of Copilot writing an entire function. Text overlay, watch till the end, you won't believe this. 2. Intro to Copilot, 10 to 20 seconds, what is it? Scene, full screen, show Copilot in VS Code. For those who don't know, GitHub Copilot is an AI coding assistant that suggests code just by typing a comment. Let's dive in and see if it can really code like a pro. 3. Simple demo, 20 to 40 seconds, easy task. Scene, screen recording, coding a basic function. Alright, I'm starting simple. Let's write a Python function to calculate factorials. Watch this. Actions. Type #calculate factorial. Copilot suggests the full function. Accept suggestion. Run code. And show it working. Look at that, I didn't write a single line. 4. Mid-level task, 40 to 60 seconds, real project example. Scene, JavaScript web component. Let's take it up a notch. I need a dynamic button that changes color on click. Can Copilot handle this? Actions. Type // create a button that changes color when clicked. Copilot generates JavaScript and CSS. Run the code and show the button working live. This just saved me 10 minutes of Googling. 5. Advanced challenge, 60 to 90 seconds, complex code or debugging. Scene, deliberately add buggy Python code. But what about debugging? Let me break this function, can Copilot fix it? Actions. Write a flawed loop or syntax error. Copilot suggests corrections. Accept fix. Run. And show success. Okay, that's scary good. I can see developers using this daily. 6. Reaction real talk, 90 to 105 seconds, honest review. Scene, face cam, reflective tone. It's not perfect, but for quick projects and boilerplate code, this thing is a lifesaver. Would I let it write all my code? Not yet, but as an assistant, 10 out of 10. 7. Call to action, 105 to 120 seconds, audience engagement. Scene, face cam or outro screen. Would you trust AI to code your projects? Or are we too dependent on AI now? Let me know below. Follow for more tech breakdowns and let's test Copilot on bigger projects next time. Text overlay, comment if you want part 2. Editing tips for maximum impact. Use captions for every spoken line to keep it engaging. Fast cuts, don't linger too long on one screen, keep it snappy. Sound effects. Typing sounds during coding. Ding, when Copilot suggests code. Whoosh for transitions. Zooms highlights. Zoom in on critical moments, e.g., when Copilot suggests code. Highlight comments with arrows or circles. Background music. Upbeat lo-fi or textile background music to keep the energy high. Bonus ideas for part 2. Challenge Copilot. Ask it to build an entire game or app from scratch. AI versus developer. Race against Copilot to solve a problem. Test in different languages. Can Copilot handle C++, Rust, or Go? Would you like me to craft specific dialogues for each segment, or focus on another part of the process? Scene, FA. Script. Ever wondered if AI can write your code for you? Today, we're taking an exclusive first look at GitHub Copilot, and it might just blow your mind. 2. Setup, 5 to 15 seconds, introduce Copilot. Scene, show vs. Script. Alright, I've got GitHub Copilot installed, and I'm ready to test it. Let's see if it can really write code just from a comment. 3. Demonstration, 15 to 45 seconds, show the magic. Scene, start Cody. Examples. Python, * write a function to reverse a string. JavaScript, * create a dynamic web page button. HTML/CSS, * build a responsive layout with Copilot's help. Script, while typing. I'm typing // reverse a string, and look at that, it suggests the entire function. Now let's build a quick website. Copilot is basically my coding assistant right now. 4. Reaction, 45 to 55 seconds, share results. Scene, show the final code output running. Script, honestly, this feels like cheating, but I'm not complaining. Copilot just saved me so much time. 5. Call to action, 55 to 60 seconds, engage viewers. Scene, face close-up or fun animation. Script, would you trust an AI to write your code? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to follow for more tech reveals. Extra tips. Add captions, emphasize key points with animated text. Fast-paced cuts, use snappy transitions to keep viewers engaged.